Alright, see what else we got. More light stuff. A lot of light stuff today. This time I'm cutting in toward my body so I can cut myself. Don't cut into yourself. It's a good thing this is dull, it could hurt me. Alright, what do we got here? Ooh, we got a folder in here. Look at that. A lot of air. Must be something valuable. Haven't cut myself yet. I finally got something. I think I cut the plastic bag open. Be careful. Yeah, it might have come that way already. Yeah, I think that came cut open already. Okay, what do we get here? It's definitely cut open there. I might have cut that. I don't know. Police motorcycles. That looks like a modern bike there. I'm thinking at least in the 80s, early 80s. There's a guy who wants to pull you over and going down the road right there. And no dates on this thing. We'll have something to look at. Well, it's a shovelhead, so we know it's not too new. It's got the 79 and later badges on it, so we know it's at least 79. It's a 1200 because police are cheap. They never paid for anything expensive. They always bought the cheapest piece of crap they can buy. So 1200. Yeah, still not seeing any years in here. Nope. It's all about other stuff. FLHF, high compression foot shift. There's your models right here. FLH, high compression hand shift. FLF, low compression foot shift. And FL is low compression hand shift. Note, only Harley offers hand shift motorcycles in 4-speed or 3-speed with reverse gear. Ooh, you don't say. That means if you got a hand shift bike, you got a 3-speed with reverse, and if you got no, you didn't get a reverse. No, that would have been for a trial. That would have been for this thing over here. And the last year they did offer that was early 79. So the fact that they're talking about 3-speed reverse over here, which they quit making that tranny in late 79, that puts this thing at 79 model year. So it's probably 1979 literature. But who knows, they might have put that disclaimer in there for a few years after the fact, because this does not give you any years of anything. Well, there you go. Nice original piece of literature. I actually like junk like this. I like literature. It's how you learn what was what the bike looks like assembled. Parts books and service books do not give you this information. So you only get this by looking at literature. All right. Here you go.